Hi everybody, welcome back to Candy. We have got a Mulberry Seaton to show you today, and it's in this gorgeous mushroomy grey colour, and I love this colour. It's one of my favourites. I think it's a perfect kind of earthy winter neutral. So I'll talk you through the features of this bag. We have double top handles, and then we also have one removable strap, and you can see that's removable by those two little loops behind that top handle on the back. And it is also adjustable. So we've got it on one of the shorter settings at the minute, but you do have the option to make it a little bit longer. We have a flat closure with this rider's lock fasten, which I really like. I think it adds a very cool feature to the bag. And then I'll open it up and show you the inside. So inside, we've got this lovely burgundy suede coloured lining. And then in there, we've got two compartments. So one compartment there, one at the front. The front compartment has two flat pockets, so one here, and then we also have one big central zipped pocket there as well. So I'll just show you that zip. Still works lovely and beautifully. I'll just pop that out of there. So that's just the care card and the product tag, which I'll show you again in a second. So the condition of this one, it is beautiful. We have called the exterior very, very good, and that's being so picky. There's literally hardly any wear for me to show you. The only thing that it is just on this strap. You can see on the end of there is just a really tiny little mark. You can see, and you can only see it in certain lights as well. You can see just there. So it's a really tiny mark, so being very picky. But other than that, it's in excellent condition. The hardware still has actually that plastic sealing on it, as well as those base studs still have those plastic seals on. And then the interior, again, that suede interior in there on that flat closure is gorgeous. And then the fabric lining on the rest of the bag, again, is just in beautiful, practically unused condition. It's gorgeous. So I'll show you what it comes with. So you've seen the Mulberry Care card and the Mulberry product tag as well. And then we also have the Mulberry dust bag to come with it also. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Mulberry on our website. But if it doesn't, this is a gorgeous piece of Mulberry, so it's just sold really quickly because you guys love Mulberry so much. But what you can do is you can get onto our request list. Just let us know that you love this, we'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, we will let you know that we've got it in. We'll send you through an email with a link to shop, then hopefully next time you can get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website. I'll show you the size on me for reference though. So I'm a size UK10 and 5'4". So if I just come back and show you what that looks like on me, and again, I just love this colour. I think Mulberry actually calls it clay, this colour, so a lovely wintry neutral colour. So you can hold it by those top handles, or if you wanted to use this bag maybe for work, which I think it would be perfect for, and you wanted it to make it a little bit more easy for on the go, you can pop that removable strap on and just pop it on your shoulder like that, which also looks beautiful. So if you wanted more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. If you're a bag lover like we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and sign up to our newsletter, and keep yourself updated on what we're getting in to Arm Candy Bag Co. Because we're getting in new bags all the time, so keep yourself updated. And when you sign up to our newsletter, we will also send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that discount code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page while you're on our website as well. If you've got any beautiful pieces of arm candy like this one, we would love to see what you've got. So have a look on that page at the process for selling with us, have a read through, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.